Good morning and welcome to Global News Update. I'm Najwa Hamidah, bringing you today's most important international news. We begin with a tragic aviation disaster in India. More than 240 people have lost their lives after an Air India flight crashed shortly after takeoff, marking one of the deadliest plane crashes in the last decade. On Thursday night, Air India Flight H143, a Boeing 787 Dreamliner, departed from Ahmedabad Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport en route to London. Just minutes after takeoff, the plane crashed, killing at least 240 of the 282 people on board. Eyewitnesses reported seeing flames and hearing a massive explosion. Emergency teams arrived quickly, but much of the wreckage was already on fire, making rescue efforts extremely difficult. The victims include Indian nationals as well as foreign citizens from the UK and the United States. Authorities are working to identify the remains, and the Indian government has promised full support to the victims' families. Initial reports suggest a possible engine failure, but officials stress that the cause has not been confirmed. A full investigation is now underway, involving India's Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Boeing, and international aviation experts. Civil Aviation Minister Rajiv Ranjan expressed deep condolences, calling it a national tragedy. Boeing also issued a statement offering technical assistance and expressing sympathy to those affected. This accident comes at a time when Air India is trying to rebuild its reputation as a world-class airline. The airline was recently privatized under the Tata Group and has been expanding its international routes. This crash, however, could slow down those efforts and shake public trust. Airports across India have increased safety inspections, particularly on Boeing 787 aircraft. Airlines have also been urged to conduct emergency safety reviews. As investigations continue and families mourn, this heartbreaking disaster reminds us of the critical importance of safety in aviation. We will continue to follow this story closely. Stay with us for further updates. I'm Najwa Hamidah and this is Global News Update.